Good morning, welcome to
MathForKids178.
Decimals. This is really Decimals for Kids Part 2. Okay, so yesterday we talked about money, right? How you have dollars and cents and that gives you decimals. So let's pick a number and talk about what we mean by decimals. Let's do 4,281.146. Okay? So when we just write down a number, this is the ones digit. I don't know why I said 1 to the s power. This is the ones digit. This is the
tens
digit. This is the
hundreds
digit. And this is the
thousands
digit. Okay, so when I write the number 4,281 down without anything after the decimal point, I really mean 4 times 1,000 plus 2 times 100 plus 8 times 10 plus 1 times 1. Right?
Yep.
And writing it like this, 4281, is just an easier way. 4,281 of writing 4 times 1,000 plus 2 times 100 plus 8 times 10 plus 1 times 1. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so then we'd say, well, maybe maybe the numbers after the decimal point mean the same thing. What is this decimal, or mean a similar thing? What is this decimal?
Tenth.
This is the 1/10. What is this decimal point?
It's the 100th.
1/100th. How about this one?
It's the 1,000th.
1/1000th. Okay, so this number means 4 times 1,000 plus 2 times 100 plus 8 times 10 plus 1 times 1 plus 1 times
A tenth.
plus 1 times a tenth plus 1 times plus 4 times
100th.
plus 6 times
And 1,000.
1,000th. Okay, so it just continues the pattern from going 1,000, 100, 10, 1, 1/10, 1/100th, 1/1000. What would be the next digit over here? What place would that be?
10,000.
And what would be the next digit over here?
1/10,000.
Well, 1/10,000. Okay, that's awesome. And let's see what that means. Maybe we go back to money. What is a nickel?
It's 5 cents.
5 cents. And how would we write that as a decimal for money?
0.05.
$0.05. And let's see, that means 0 times 1/10 of a dollar plus 5 times 1/100th. What's 1/100th of a dollar?
A penny.
A penny. So are 5 pennies equal to 5 cents?
Yep.
Equal to a nickel?
Yep.
Okay. And interestingly, well, by the way, how many nickels go into a dollar?
It's 20 nickels.
20 nickels. So 1/20th of a dollar equals 5 cents, which equals 0.05. So we just learned as a decimal 1/20th is the same thing as 0.05. Did you know that?
Yeah.
You did? Oh, okay, great. All right, what's another one we can take a look at? How about a quarter? How do we write 25 cents as a decimal?
It's 0.25.
0.25. And then using what I told you about the placeholders, what place is this?
It's the tenths.
So this is the 1/10th place, and this is the
Hundredths.
1/100th place. So what's 1/10 of a dollar equal to?
It's 2.
What's 1/10 of a dollar equal to?
1/10 of a dollar is a dime.
Okay, and how many
10
cents?
cents.
10 cents. So 2 times 10 cents is,
20 cents.
and 5 times 1/100th of a dollar. 1/100th of a dollar is
Penny.
penny, so 5 pennies. So is a quarter equal to 2 dimes plus 5 pennies?
Yep.
Yeah, it sure is.
Or 2 dimes and a nickel.
Or 2 dimes and a nickel. Okay, so this seems to this placeholder idea seems to make sense. Now, we also learned something else there. How many quarters go into a dollar?
4 quarters.
So 1/4 of a dollar is 25 cents, which is 0.25. So we just learned that the decimal for 1/4 is 0.25. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good. What's the decimal for 1/2, do you think?
0.5.
0.5. Now, why does that make sense?
Because 1/2 of a dollar is 50 cents.
Okay, so we could write it like this. The other way that you could say this makes sense is 2 times a half is
2 times a half is a whole.
1. And what's 2 times 0.5?
It's 1.
Also 1. Okay. Now, maybe tomorrow we'll start talking about things that are a little more difficult, like the decimal for 1/3. Because we might want to say this is about equal to 0.33, because 3 times a third is
Is a whole.
1.
Yeah.
What's 3 times 0.33?
It's very close to
Well, what is it
1.
exactly? 3 times 0.33 is
0.99.
0.99. Well, it's not quite 1, so we have to add a little bit more onto it. So tomorrow we'll see something kind of fun with that. All right. Good job on your decimals today, sweetie.